In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use control fields in Looker Studio reports. So first, you want to head over to Looker Studio and open up your report for editing. Once you're there, we can dive into adding a control field. You'll find this option in the toolbar. Simply select Add a Control and then pick the type of control that best meets your needs. These options might include a drop-down list, a date range control, a checkbox, or an input box. When you've made your choice, go ahead and position this control neatly onto your report's canvas. Now that you have your control placed, let's configure it to suit your filtering needs. Select the control you just added to activate the Properties panel on the right. Under the Setup tab, you'll see the Control Field option. Click there, and you'll be able to choose the appropriate dimension or parameter you want to filter by from the list. For example, if you're looking to filter data by country, you would set the control field to your country dimension. This little setup ensures that the control knows exactly what data you're interested in filtering. Now on to the interesting part, using your control. Once you've set it up, you can start interacting with it to filter the data in your report. If you chose a drop-down list, for example, selecting a particular entry, like a country, will narrow down your report's display to only include data from that country. This dynamic interaction is key to tailoring the report to your precise needs without altering the underlying data. Different controls offer various interactions. For instance, if your control field is a parameter, interacting with it will change the parameter's value. This can dynamically alter the visual representation or calculations within your report, such as adjusting the conversion rate for currencies. A checkbox control, based on a true or false value, allows for toggling specific conditions in your report. For an added bit of flexibility and finesse, consider linking controls to specific charts or components. You can achieve this by grouping them. A useful tip to remember: if one control is filtering another, the second control will only offer options relevant to the choices made in the first. This ensures that your report's interactions remain intuitive and informative for whoever is viewing it. And there you have it. That's how you use control fields in Looker Studio reports to make your data-driven stories more compelling and interactive. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust as needed, because the more you play around with these tools, the more powerful your reports will become. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.